How to buy fear token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 13 hours ago and it increased by 265% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's medium investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under this Solana network. Now open your funds wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, select provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or customize, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy fear token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.